So everyone knows that TikTok is one of the best ways to reach a new audience very, very fast. And a lot of people struggle with TikTok content, whether that be the creator's work rate within TikTok or whether that be content ideas for the creator to do. So this is literally a method where you get very, very easy TikToks with viral potential. And it's so easy, and it doesn't even have to involve the creator. So if you have a creator who only has the time to make one TikTok a day or whatever, and it's very well known that with TikTok, the game is basically post as much as possible. They like that shit. Like if you're posting 3+ a day, that's where the sort of winning recipe is. And not a lot of creators or managers have the time to be able to manage multiple TikToks at a time. So there's basically a way you can just churn out as many TikToks as possible for very, very simply. So yeah, very good method for churning out TikToks. So the method itself, I'm going to go over the method itself, finding templates and why the templates work. So the method, very simple. Find TikToks with the CapCut template available. Export the video to CapCut, add your own pictures and videos to the template, and share the video to TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, all of that. Very simple stuff. So finding templates, how do you find templates? Literally as simple as typing into TikTok, CapCut template. Literally. There's accounts that specialize in CapCut templates. There's accounts that specialize in CapCut templates for influencers and models. Some specialize in edits and montage videos, but you want to find the ones with most viral potential within the niche. And creators themselves will even use templates, so you can just copy off those. So once you found a CapCut template that you want to create with your model, try this template. Literally, it comes up down bottom left of the TikTok screen. Add your clips or pictures, whatever you're using, to the allocated slots. It's as simple as that, and that is the easiest way to mass produce content. You can see down here what it will come up with is obviously your camera roll. It will come up with the time slots that the person who made the template has allocated for the edit or video, and you just add pictures and videos to the little thing down there. It's really as simple as that. So why this works, it's obviously very easy to mass produce content. You can just bang these out. You can even use the same pictures and videos just with different sounds and different edits and different styles of video. They're obviously pre-synced to viral sounds if you select the right template, of course. Not all of them are going to be viral sounds, but you're going to want to find ones that are viral trending sounds. The person who's made the template has taken the time to put animations in there, editing techniques, sync it up to the music, and it would have taken hours for you to do that yourself, basically. And they've basically just, and the best part is free. It's literally free. A lot of these, they may require CapCut Pro. Even so, $10 a month, I believe, for CapCut Pro isn't exactly a big investment. But there's literally no work from the model required as well. So you as the manager can just take a load of pictures, videos you've already got of your model and add them into the template. That's literally as simple as that. And you can make unlimited TikToks to viral sounds, bang them out on TikTok, bang, 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 done. TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, so easy. I don't know why most people don't do this, because as I said, it's a very common struggle. People are like, oh, what do I post on TikTok, blah, blah, blah. Yes, the most optimal TikTok methods will require the creator to be dancing, making videos, influencing within the TikTok platform. But again, TikTok's one of those platforms that want you to post as much as possible, and they promote creators that post as much as possible. Maybe not 20 a day, but you know what I mean. 3+ is a sweet spot for TikTok, and a lot of creators won't have the time or patience to produce that many TikToks every single day. Whereas this is where you as a management team can come in. You can even hire someone to do this. It's super easy. Go on Upwork, hire a VA to just find CapCut templates, put pictures in, and you can bang 5-6 of them a day for very, very cheap if you're hiring someone to do that. So yeah, easy method. There you go.